Hey everybody, it's Grand Island Tips and Tricks, and we're here in room 223 at the Days Inn in Grand Island, Nebraska. Is this room better than my room at the Wynn? Let's find out. Okay, so immediately as you come in, to the right you have a bathroom. Now, it seems pretty clean. I mean, it's an aging property, as am I. You have sort of your old school classic tub shower. I like the shower head. It's just sort of your old school, but it's nice. Plenty of hot water. Now the towels have that Motel 6 quality, as in I need 3 of them. The toilet does not have massaging warm jets of water to help you clean yourself, but so it goes. The Aria does win on that category. Up there's the full body mirror, so you can check yourself out. They got it at the Days Inn too. Another decorative trash can. Now I got the 2 queen room. I didn't really request the 2 queen room. I think the 2 queen room's actually a little bigger. So, you know, I'm not keen on these bedspreads, but I just like knock them off. But otherwise, the sheets and everything look perfectly clean. We do have some sorts of electronic hookups here by the lamp, including a USB port. As is so often the case in any hotel, the sort of plug-ins are kind of loose-ish. Some lovely Nebraska-themed artwork on the wall. And the much-desired coffee maker. Yep, free coffee and a coffee maker. Not a huge television, but a decent television with a lot of channels. Hey, let's look at all the channels we get, including HBO. So a great selection of channels. How about this? We have a microwave. Don't get that at the Cosmopolitan. Well, maybe you do. Don't get that at the Aria. We have free Wi-Fi. No resort fees. And take a look at this refrigerator. This isn't a dorm fridge. This is more like a half-size refrigerator. You can keep a lot of stuff in there. Again, Days Inn is winning over Aria. And of course, I actually have, there's an ice bucket. I've got ice in the fridge, along with a few beverages. Nice little desk area. Big closet. You know, I don't know. Do you really want to look inside? All right, we'll look inside. There's the, ironing board. Iron. It's dark, but ooh, it's almost a spooky iron. And actually plenty, decent number of hangers, more storage. So you could definitely camp out here for a while if you needed to visit Grand Island. The heating cooling unit seems pretty efficient. And you have a little easy chair. Now the view is a lovely view of the highway outside and a number of cars. Now this room is available for less than $100 a night. Again, no resort fees, no parking fees, free breakfast, microwave, 2 beds, lots of television channels, a nearly full-size fridge and a microwave. So you tell me in the comments below, is the Days Inn really a better choice than the Aria? I'll let you decide. Hey, thanks for watching this tongue-in-cheek Vegas Tips and Tricks broadcast. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Normally, we have lots of valuable Vegas content. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Have a lucky week. And we will see you soon.